Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel English with Nasar. As you know that every day I try to come with some important sentences. So without wasting our precious time, let's have a look these sentences because again I came with some important and very important sentences. So our first sentence is make your bed. अपना बिस्तर बना लें या लगा लें. Pick up your clothes. अपने कपड़े उठा लें. Clean your room. अपना कमरा साफ कर लें. Hang up your clothes. अपने कपड़े लटका दें. Pick up your toys. अपने खिलौने उठा लें. Tidy up your room. अपना कमरा साफ करें. Wash the dishes. बर्तन धो लें या धो दें. Wash the car. कार धोएं. Mow the lawn. सहन में से घास काट दो. She was doing the chores. वो घर का काम कर रही थी. She is sweeping. वो झाड़ू लगा रही है. She mopped the kitchen floor. उसने किचन का फर्श पर पोंछा मार रहा है. She is doing the dishes. वो बर्तन धो रही है. Please help me fold clothes. Please या मेहरबानी करें कपड़े तह करने में मदद करें. Iron my shirts. Please मेरी कमीज इस्त्री कर दें. Please wipe off this table. मेहरबानी करके या प्लीज टेबल साफ कर दें. She is dusting the room. वो कमरा झाड़ रही है. He is bathing his kids. वो अपने बच्चे को नहला रहा है. She has to do the laundry. उसे कपड़े धोने हैं. असीम is watering the plants. असीम पौधों को पानी लगा रहा है या दे रहे हैं. I should tidy up my closets. मुझे अपने कपड़ों की अलमारी साफ करनी है. Peel these potatoes. इन आलुओं को छील दें. So guys, these are some sentences. I'm 100% sure if you use these sentences in your daily life, your English will be improved day by day. And I also tell you that you have to try more as you know now. Because if you try every day, your power of speaking will be increased day by day. So it's better and it's my suggestion to make these sentences ready for your upcoming thing. Thank you for